We're nervous.
We're nervous. This is just before we're taking off for our helicopter trip to the Grand Canyon, and apparently we're going in an open-sided helicopter, and yeah, it's a bit nerve-wracking. So not quite sure what to expect really, but it's going to be spectacular. So
5 minutes to go.
Or Matt will come up at that time, and if you guys want some more pictures while the helicopter's running.
okay,
Let's go.
It's not going to affect me. There's nobody out there. But by law, we have to tell you that you cannot use it.
Okay. So I'm just going to grab this seatbelt here.
yeah.
So right here, pull that to kind of, you don't have to make it crazy tight. You want to be comfortable.
Yeah.
Only one guy's fallen out so far, so.
That was absolutely awesome, wasn't it?
Fantastic.
That was amazing.
You get some good pictures? Yeah?
I can look.
I didn't think it was going to be quite as good as that, did you?
Sorry?
I didn't think it was going to be as good as that.
No, it's absolutely gods.
It's scary.
Who's supposed to go?
Please.
Okay, this one's yours.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys enjoy. Thank you.
Sharon, have you worked up an appetite?
Oh, I have a nervous appetite.
Thank you. Gloria.
So you enjoyed that then, guys?
Very good for you.
Well, fantastic.
Yeah? Any other